Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create a Spotify artist account in 2025 step by step. So if you want to upload your music, check your status and appear as a verified artist, this is the official process. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, you will have to keep this thing in mind is that you need to release your music through a distributor. So this is going to be the primary step that you need to do. So as of right now, in order to create a Spotify artist account, you must first release a song through any of the distributor. You can use any of the platforms like DistroKid, TuneCore, then we have CD Baby or Amuse. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Once you upload your track there, you can add your cover art, then fill in the title, add the artist name, then submit it for release. Now, once your distributor sends your music to Spotify, you will get an artist profile which will be created automatically. Now, once you have it, you will have to come to the artist's website of Spotify, which is artists.spotify.com. Now, over here, click on the option of Get Access on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, you will have to select label, team member, or artist or manager. So, select the option of the label team member. Then you need to basically log in here with your Spotify account. You can use the same email that you want linked to your artist's dashboard. Spotify will show you the search box where you need to type the artist name, select your profile once it appears here. If it hasn't appeared it yet until your first release is visible on Spotify. So you need to claim basically your artist's profile, and you will be able to ask for the confirmation of your social media link, then distributor details, then proof that you manage the artist project, and then you need to submit your form. So after the successful approval, which is going to take around 3 days, you will get access to your Shopify artist's dashboard, and this way you will be able to create your Spotify artist account. The process is quite lengthy, but it is what it is. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.